Hello everyone. After learning about the mean deviation, in this video we will learn about the variance and the standard deviation. What is variance? Variance actually is the mean of the squares of the deviations of the data or the informations from their mean. In that case, we can say that the mean of the squares of the deviations of all data from their mean is the variance, and it is represented by small sigma square. So we can have the formula to find out the variance sigma square is, in case we are not given the frequency, or we can say this is raw data. Then we have the formula sum of xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. And we know that sigma xi minus x bar can be written as sigma di square. Why? Because xi minus x bar we call as the deviation from the mean. In case we have the frequency distribution, the only difference will be that frequency will be multiplied with this. So this will be sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by sigma fi, because sigma fi is n. Also we can write this as sigma fi into di square divided by sigma fi. Now what about the standard deviation? The standard deviation is the positive square root of the variance. This is represented by sigma, small sigma, because small sigma square is the variance. So the root of that will be small sigma. That is the representation for standard deviation. Now we learn how to find out how to calculate the variance and the standard deviation for different type of problems. Now we discuss a problem based on finding the variance and the standard deviation of the raw data. And these raw data here are given 6, 7, 10, 12, 8, 13, 4 and 12. We write all these data in the form of a table and then find the sum of them. Sum here is coming 72. And we find the data are 8. It means n here is 8 and sigma xi, that is sum of data, is 72. So we can find out the mean. Mean we know is sigma xi upon n. And here in this case it will be 72 divided by 8, that is 9. After finding mean, we have to find out xi minus x bar, that is the deviation of all data from the mean. And here in this case it is 6 minus 9 minus 3, 7 minus 9 minus 2, 10 minus 9 1, 12 minus 9 3, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 13 minus 9 is 4, 4 minus 9 minus 5 and 12 minus 9 is 3. And then we find the square of di, square of xi minus x bar. That here is 3 square 9, 4, 1, 9, 1, 16, 25 and 9. And then we find the sum of these di square, that is 9, 4, 13, 14, 24, 40, 65 and 9, 74. And hence we can say that variance sigma square here will be sigma xi minus x bar square divided by n, or we say sigma di square divided by n. Sigma di square here is 74 divided by n is 8, comes as 9.25. And then we can say standard deviation sigma will be equal to root of 9.25, which is approximately 3.04. This is the standard deviation of this particular data. Now we'll discuss one of the problem to find out the variance and the standard deviation for unclassified frequency distribution. And here the problem is the data are given 6, 10, 14, 18, 24, 28 and 30. And their corresponding frequencies are 2, 4, 7, 12, 8, 4 and 3. And we find the sum of the frequencies as 40 here. Sigma fi is 40. Now to find out the mean, we have to find out the product of fi and xi, and that product higher 6 to the 12 and so on. and the sum of this fi xi is 760. So we are getting sigma fi xi is 760, sigma fi is 40. So mean, that is x bar, will be sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, which is 760 upon 40. Calculating it comes as 90. Now we have to find out the deviation from the mean, xi minus x bar. And here it is 6 minus 19 is minus 13, 10 minus 19 is minus 9, and so on. And after that we have to find out the square of the deviations, that is xi minus x bar square. We can also write this as di square. And here we find minus 13 square 169, 9 square 81, minus 5 square 25, and so on. And now we have to find out the product of the frequency with di square, that is fi into di square, or we say fi into xi minus x bar square. And the product here is fi2, 2 into 169 is 338, and so on. They are calculated here. And the sum of fi into di square comes as 1736. And here we know that variance sigma square is given by sigma fi into xi minus x bar square upon sigma fi, or sigma fi into di square upon sigma fi. Substituting the values, we get 1736 divided by 40, which comes as 43.4. This is the variance. Then to find out the standard deviation, sigma, that is positive square root of variance, or we can say that is positive square root of 43.4. This is the standard deviation of this particular problem. So in this video, we have learned how to calculate the variance and the standard deviation by using mean. In case we find the mean is in decimals, then the square becomes a bit difficult. In that case, we use another method, that is changing or shifting the origin and changing the scale. That we will be learning in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.